Hey friends, if you wish to fix File Explorer crashing problem in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager. Wait till the processes load. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The next solution is to update Windows. So right click on the Start button. Select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is clean boot. So how would you perform clean boot? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Open the system configuration window. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.